My video guide will help you to remove the unwanted browser extension that is called External Links Tool. External Links Tool. This particular extension has got the purpose of displaying intrusive advertisements through your browser. It is strongly advised that you do not install this particular extension. However, the problem with this extension is that customers often download and install it unintentionally, because the extension is often spread through certain fake browser update alerts. There may be certain fake alerts in your Google Chrome mentioning that you need to download and install some browser extensions which are told to be some browser updates. And when people mistakenly agree with the proposal, they eventually install this extension that may change a lot of crucial browser settings, and eventually the browser starts displaying the great portion of advertisements randomly on the screen. So there may be new tabs opening and ads displayed in various parts of the screen, and these ads are not related to the sites that you visit. So this is all happening because of this unwanted extension called External Links Tool installed into your Google Chrome. In case the extension was installed, you should undertake the measures to remove it immediately. To get rid of it, access the menu of your browser, go to More Tools, choose Extensions. If you find this extension as active, simply deactivate and remove it. So this should fix the issue very well, and after you have removed the extension, these ads should be also gone. Now, my strong recommendation is that you additionally research your system with a Combo Cleaner antivirus, and the best place to get it is on this official resource, combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and start investigating the system to detect and delete other threats from your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.